I was exhausted, I was in pain, and I just kept leaning into the next day and realized each time that I was ratcheting up that there was a new realm of possibility of not listening to my body saying, give up, give up, give up. It says you can't make it. And what I say to myself is I can for one more step, over and over and over and over.
I'm Mark Warnke. I pack goats into the backcountry. I've spent a lot of my adult life in a sleeping bag, and now I'm the goat guy.
So what a pack goat is, or what pack goating is using goats to haul equipment and or heavy things into the backcountry. We put a saddle on them, 2 panniers on each side, and they can haul 40 to 50, even up to 60 and 70 pounds, depending on the size and the condition of the goat. So they're an animal that can haul things.
Some of the most profound lessons that we learn happen when we're highly uncomfortable. And we have spent our entire human culture, and especially the last 200 years, making ourselves extremely comfortable. But where life happens is in the messy edge. When I go deep into the backcountry, I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm physically exhausted. And the gritty side, the part that put my head down and put one foot in front of the other for hours and hours to get there, my soul sings in that environment. One of the things that I've paid attention to by spending my life in the woods is what a valuable gift our ears are.
Being the only one up, sitting at the campfire, drinking a cup of coffee, hearing the crackle of the fire. One single bird that's calling in the distance. The ripple of the lake, the splash of the trout. Those are the times where I really get to hear nature. And I love hearing the woods come alive.
Grit is a really complex subject, it truly is. It's the answer to the question of, should I give up now in my own mind? And the response is no. But where does it come from? I think that grit has a component of spirit as well. Our spirits, I think, really thrive in an environment where we're tested. And so when we raise that bar higher and higher in what we're tested with, then grit has a chance to step in and make things that we're passionate about, that now have become difficult, that we lean in further and learn more.
I can tell you goats have grit. They literally have grit. I've seen them do things they couldn't believe they could do to stay with the herd and then like celebrate it. I've felt that from them before.
They rarely need water. They have long endurance mileage capabilities. They feed themselves in the backcountry. They love love. They don't have to be led. They're as sure-footed as any animal that we can ever coexist with on a meat, milk, companionship, and packer level.
They're magic. They are a magic critter.